first game, 12 under. Scorpions versus Bobcats. Dito na mo. Ay, tadi semua sa talisay. 12 under category. Scorpions versus Bobcats sa atong first game. Ako nag-set up pa ang scoreboard. First 5, Onyate, Aliligar, Pinot, Sigera, Chinyere, Reniel, galit Sinil. Makoy. I don't know.
Counter. First game.
Ball for Bobcats. Shot clock violation.
24 seconds on clock violation.
Ball for Scorpions. Makoy. No good. Kadalong. Sinir.
Ball is out.
Out of bounds. Silver Bobcat. Rebound on Onyate. There's a foul. Wait lang.
Din bola na.
Shot clock.
Timer rin na nasa bola. Score na sa babaw. Okay? Okay? Continue.
Onyate. Makoy. Aliligay. Onyate, pinasa kay Inot. Inot. No good, Inot. Ball for Bobcats.
Hit it. And the ball is out. Inot having the ball and the ball is out.
Outside.
Last touch from Bobcats. Inot. Onyate. Bang, wala. Overkill, Hannibal, and pass to Espirito. To jersey number 10. And there's a foul. Jersey number 3. First personal foul. Hello, Pedro.
Alabon.
President, basket. Basket. 8 minutes remaining time. Onyate, starting ball. Pass to Makoy. Makoy to Inot. Inot, pumasok. Sinyel. Okay. There's a bad foul. Jersey number 10. First personal foul. Aligo. Basket. President. Aligo first personal foul.
Aligo. No good.
Sinatag, wala.
1-2 para sa Bobcats. Isaban.
Pasto ang hiti. President, wala. Alibon. Basket for 2.
4-1 abanse ang Bobcats versus Scorpions. Aliligay
And
araw.
ball is out.
Time out.
Ay, agad up. Time out. Bobcats. Also nagag nalis, former Kapitan Bingban, good morning Kap. Alright, ball position. Bobcats.
Ball for Bobcats.
Basket.
6-1 abanse ang Bobcats versus Scorpions. Onyate save the ball. Onyate.
It's a driving.
Hey.
Agaw. Onyate. Wala. Sinyel. Wala Japon. Another check. It's Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Position. Same ball.
Out of bounds. Lima abanse for Bobcats. 6-1. First quarter.
Espiritu. Pass to Aligon. Aligon. Attempt. Basket for 2.
8-1 na.
13 dua serangan. Nakahulog ang dribble ni Inot. Call. Attempt. Pass to Inot. And take the shot. Inot for 2.
Basket for Inot.
Just one, but very good Inot. Of Team Scorpions. 5 minutes remaining time. It's a foul. Jersey number 11. Ogyate, first personal foul. Boss, boss.
Alagon.
No basket. First attempt for a free throw.
Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu.
Another attempt. Basket. 1 point.
Para mamamisina.
Muntik na maagaw. Pass to Oñate.
Oñate,
Attempt.
basket.
Basket for 2. Oñate.
5-9 in favor of Bobcats.
It's a girl power by Oñate. Naagaw ng Ahoy. Pass to Oñate. Pag naagaw ng Espiritu again. And still. Last touch. Alright, in favor for Bobcats. Shot clock 17. 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time. And it's
Shout out Jory.
basket for 2.
Scorpions, 7-9.
For 2 points.
Galaot ang Scorpions.
It's a loose ball by Argente. Jersey number 34.
7-9 in favor of Bobcats.
Oñate. Pass to Makoy. Pass to Inot. Inot. Ito slow na carry ball. Pass to Oñate.
Kaya Wallace na.
Pass to for 2. Oñate. It's a girl power. Jersey number 11. Argente. Wala. It's a long pass.
Basket.
Aligon. Basket for 2. Jersey number 10.
11-9 in favor of Bobcats.
Oñate. Pass to Inot. Nabitawan ang bola.
Substitution.
3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time.
3:30 remaining first quarter. 9-11 ang
Score
score.
9-11.
Favor of Bobcats. Another steal. Nagaw.
Aligon. And it's Oñate again. Oñate napakalakas. Pass to Siniel. Inot. It's a 3 seconds violation
3 seconds.
from
violation.
Siniel. Magangwa. Pass to Aligon. Aligon 1-1 to Siniel. And it's a good
Lock.
no foul. It's a good ball. Oñate again. Napakalakas ni Oñate. Nalutang bola. And last touch sa crowd na Bobcats. Ball position for Scorpions.
11-9. Bola para sa Scorpions. Abance ang Bobcats. 2.
Alright. Another attempt to score. That's a 3 points.
3
Jersey
points.
number 5, 4. 2
For
points.
go. Abance.
Aligon again. Nabitawan ng bola. But still good.
Abang si Scorpions. Inot.
Ayan. Pastor Oy. Pastor Oñate. Ayun. Ang galing. Mag-short.
Senyel.
Siniel. And a 3 seconds violation from Siniel.
3 seconds.
Last 2 minutes.
11-12 in favor of Scorpions.
And sa wakas, mabuti nakuha ni Aligon is no basket.
Rebound for Oñate.
Oñate. Oñate sa akin na ball. Pasok mo. Attempted for 3. Wala.
Inot!
Ball's good. Pass to Aligon. Wala. Last touch by Siniel.
11-12. Come
1 minute
on.
and 24 seconds remaining time.
Tanda ka mga
1
kabata.
minute and 24 seconds remaining time.
124.
Timeout. Scorpions.
124 remaining on our first
Score
quarter.
12-11 in favor of
Scorpions.
Scorpions.
12-11
Our score 11-12
para sa Scorpions first
in favor
quarter.
of Scorpions.
Shout out Jerry Bonifacio. 12 under atong category. First game. Right, back to the ball game.
Coach, relax na coach. Ano na nangyari si Coach Rasuelo, Coach, ano nangyari? Grabe, grabe.
11-12 favor of
Ball
Scorpions.
position. Vargas. Castillo. Castillo.
Field.
Makoy and Oñate again!
Yes! Click Oñate,
Oñate.
11 advance for Scorpions.
11-14 in favor of Scorpions. And it's a foul.
Wow.
Makoy. Jersey number 7, first personal foul. Espirito. Attempt. Wala. There's a foul. Jersey number 3, Siniel. Oh. Second personal foul, Siniel. And 4th team fouls. Espirito. Basket.
12-14 free throw for Bobcats.
Second free throw. So, Aligon. Aligon attempt. Wala. Another attempt. Wala.
Rebound for Siniel.
No basket. Basket ball. 40 seconds remaining time. And it's a ball out from Ordanier. Oñate. Try to enter. Pass to Inok. Inok. Nakagaw. Muntik na. Time to shoot. Basket. Wala. Attempt for 3. Ayan. Pass to Espirito. 20 seconds. Andiyan wala. Pass to Aligon. Nakagaw. It's 15 seconds. Wala.
Ay, ano?
8, 5,
Steal for Inot.
time is up. That ends our first quarter.
And the first
Score.
quarter, 14-12.
Scorpion, 14. Bobcats, 12. That ends our first quarter.
And the first 14-12 para sa
Once
Scorpions.
again, we're still watching Bobcats of 5th Bobcats Basketball Tournament 2024. And it's a 12 under category, a battle between Scorpions versus Bobcats.
Bata mo, itong tao.
And let's begin for our second quarter.
Ari kami sa
Once again, guys,
Talisay.
watching a battle between 12 under category Bobcats versus Scorpions.
Right, second quarter. Uy. You're still.
Darlitos. Wala. Pass to Casipe. Casipe pass to Lamberto. Wala. Another attempt. Casipe.
Ay! Sapa!
30 kapisan. Esperido. Espinosa another. Ten to shoot. Ball is out. 9 seconds. Shot clock.
Out of bounds.
The ball is out.
Uy. Court.
It's a back pass. Violation.
Backcourt violation for Scorpions. 14-12 ang ating score. Second quarter.
Attempt. Wala. Scorpions is on the ball. Casique. Pass to Carlitos. Casique again.
Good.
Attempt to shoot.
Yes!
And for two. Casique. Choice number 9. 2 points.
16-12. Steal. Casipe again. Basket for Casipe. 18-12.
Basket.
Another steal for Casipe. Pinasa.
And it's a good
Nice,
pass.
nice. 18-12 ang score para sa Scorpions.
No basket.
Rebounds ay Scorpions. Uy!
Wow.
Patahog!
Atahon.
20-12 ang score. Scorpions gihapon ng advance at second quarter. There's a foul basket.
And it's a foul. There's number 8.
20.
Number 9. There's number 9.
20-14 for Scorpions. Bobcats on the free throw line. Espinosa.
Espinosa on the basket.
Pass.
Basket for
Basket.
2.
16-20. Casipe. Oy!
Amigos.
Hey!
For 2. Joseph Ray.
22-16.
Garcigo.
Ball for Bobcats. 22-16 ang score.
Time to shoot.
Rebound for Scorpions. Kasipe. Pinasa. Oy, naagaw.
Sama natin.
Rebound Scorpions.
Lamberto again. And it's a foul. Jersey number 6. Substitution.
22-16 in favor of Scorpions. Ay, steal! Oh.
Last touch. Last touch.
Ball for Scorpions.
Kasipe.
Nice pass.
And it's a net.
Hey!
Basket. Another net. What of the ball? Holabed.
Yes!
For two with a foul.
Foul basket.
20. Yes, number 5.
20.
Macabales, first personal foul.
16.
Thumbs up.
24-16 para sa Scorpions. 3-point play
Basket. Mula din.
para kay
Time
Modena.
out. Bobcats.
25-16 siya mga banses ng Scorpions versus Bobcats. Second
5 minutes
quarter.
and 45 seconds remaining time.
5:45.
25-16 in favor of Scorpions.
Right, second quarter. Ay, 25-15 galing score. 25-15 pulo ang abante.
Macabales.
Steal.
Kasipe. For two again.
For Scorpions, 27-15. Duse. Out of bounds. $27-15 ang ating score. Nice pass. Basket again for Scorpions, 29-15. Uy, another steal. Nice pass. Kasipe again.
Basket.
31-15.
At may mga foul. Wala.
Rebound for Scorpions. Kasipe and another steal for Bobcats Macabales.
Natin. Wala dyan mo.
No good, Macabales.
Bruno. There's a 3 seconds violation.
Balik-balik man sa
Substitution.
Ara...
4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time.
Balik-balik man sa 31-15 in favor of Scorpions. Easy size na ang Abanse. Ari sa piyak. Ay.
Naagaw.
Agaw.
Attempt basket for two. Jersey number 15.
21-17. 14.
Adyon. Lamberto.
Yes! mga bata doon, di 12 under ha.
33-17 about
Yes, Talisay.
in favor of Scorpions.
Talisay covered court ang venue.
And yun, basketball 2.
For Bobcats,
13
33-19.
pa kaya yun yun. Substitution. Casipe. Okay, for 3. Wala. Pressure 12. Naagaw again. Garcinos. Wala. Rebound Bruno. Pass to Rasmo. Pass. Agaw.
Lamberto. Pinasa. Casipe for 3. Uy,
No
no,
basket.
no good. Rebound Bobcats.
Rebound and John. Pass to Bruno. Bruno.
Talisay, uy.
It's a try.
Traveling violation.
Galcitos. Substitution.
Yes, Talisay. Talisay covered court. Talisay Plaza covered court.
3 minutes remaining time.
3 minutes on our second quarter. Chowking.
Casipe again for 3. Wala. Rebound Bruno. Oh, it's a strong pass.
Out of bounds. Sara na sa. Sulod na sa.
Strong pass
33-19.
from Bruno. Lamberto kami ball. Sabanisto. Wala.
Short.
Rebound ng Panwa. Pass to Espinosa. And attempt.
Anti-check! (33-21).
No basket. 2 minutes remaining time. And
Stepping on the
a
line.
line ball violation.
33-21.
Casipe. Attempt to basket.
Basket,
Score 2 points for Casipe.
35-21. Ay, buwang.
Tapi saan sa Yamaha na? Another set. Sala natin na small na ball. Basket for 2. Sala natin for 2 points.
Salavate. Number 32. Basket 35-23. Chowking. Rapinyan. Casipe. Pinasa Lamberto.
Lamberto.
Lamberto, there's a foul.
It's a foul only. No basket.
35-20.
Foul jersey number 6. Second personal foul. 13 fouls. Sub. Solot.
35-23 para sa Scorpions. Second quarter. Lamberto on the
Lamberto.
line.
First free throw. No basket.
Second attempt.
Lamberto. Second free throw. No basket. Mulade.
Nice
For 2.
Basket
Jersey
again
number 15. Mulade. 2
Scorpions
points.
37-23.
So Rasmo.
Steal.
And it's a loose ball. Agaw. Alright. It's a jump ball.
Jump ball. Ball for
Scorpions.
Scorpions. 37-23 para
1
Scorpions.
minute remaining time.
Second quarter. Casipe. Short.
Bruno, rebound. Pass to Sala natin.
Salabate.
Wala.
Gigino.
Diba, tayo mo yung sa sulod eh. Parang nagkaroon pa sa bigay. Lamberto. Wala. Rebound by Bruno.
Salabate! Uy!
Si Papa yung tumenda sa mga court. Gayon yung lang.
Espinosa.
10 shot clock. And so 10.
Offensive foul for
Offensive foul, sorry. Offensive foul, jersey number 3. Bruno. Substitution.
Espinosa.
20
37.
seconds remaining time.
37, 23, 20 seconds.
It's an intense game.
Remaining.
Scorpions and Bobcats.
Second quarter.
15 seconds remaining time. 10. At the point. It's 2 points only. 5 seconds remaining time.
39, 23.
Timing. Pati sa 3 points and 3 points. Wala.
Sa dalong na
Dalong ulit, sorry. Agad ako nagugtaw, ito dito kita ngayon. Isa ikin ko hindi na, alasing ko nagugtaw ako. Ako na yung gusto, dahil ako kayo nagigata ka rin ako. Kaya nga atong mag-team ko, hindi ka gawa na. Ha? Basta rin mas kurso na sa amin sa mata ko na, no? Sino kang taga-iyo optical? Ha? Kaya ba ako pa ni Fermi? Iyo optical. Optical ng masa.
Pitikachu. Ay, arada. Pitikachu. $39-23. First half.
Biulo ko si Mustafa, hindi na mo shoot eh. Ha? Kabus galit, kabus. Alright, let's begin. That ends our second quarter. First half. Once again, welcome to the 5th basketball tournament of Bobcats Basketball Club. And of course, thank you so much to all our sponsors. Kung ito ang apanyahin ko, kulak na iwan pa, kulak.
39-23, this is size. Ang abante ng Bobcats.
Third quarter. Again, second game. We will start exactly 1:30 p.m. Bobcats versus Sharks. Espirito. It's a long pass.
Out of bounds.
And it's a strong pass from Onyate to Lamberto.
39-23.
Thank you so much, Kitis. Bitso. Salamat din. Why di ba ba hindi? Wow! Onyate! Pastor Enoch! Pastor Onyate again! It's a good communication from Enoch and Onyate. 8 to shoot! Mula din! Wala! Espinosa! For two!
There's a foul.
It's a foul, jersey number 3. 39, jersey number 39. First personal foul.
Enoch on the line.
Enoch. No basket. First free throw. Enoch, second free throw. Basket.
for Enid, 40-25 ang ano score. Bobcats ball. Nice. Sorry, ganay ka pa na.
Espinosa dali the ball. Naagaw ni Unyate. Nakahon.
Unyate dribbles.
And basket.
Basket is counted.
Not counted. It's not counted. Counted? Not counted. Sunod. Technical referee.
There's a technical being called for Coach Monserrate.
Espinosa, basket.
39-28. Third quarter.
Sige pa. Naaga ang ilog. Unyate.
3
It's a
seconds.
3 seconds violation. Substitution. Lamberto. Lamberto in, Enid out. Alabon. Macamalis. And Espirito. 5 to shoot. Macamalis. And 24 seconds violation.
24 seconds violation. 39-28 in favor sa gihapon sa Scorpions. Third quarter. Right, third quarter ball for Scorpions. 39-28.
Oñate. Cacipe. Cacipe.
Short for Cacipe. Senyo.
Answer for 3. Wala. Masyado malakas.
Steal.
Oñate is a good. Lamberto. Another attack for Oñate. And the ball is out by Macamalis. 6 minutes remaining time. Three points. Argente, and there's a foul from verse number 3, Siniel. Third personal foul, Siniel. Argente, first free throw. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. Rebound by Siniel. Also Cacique. And Argente, wala. And ball. Substitution.
$43-29 ang score, third quarter.
There. 5 minutes remaining time. Garcitos. Attempt to shoot. No basket. Rebound by Uniate. And the ball is out by Alagon.
43-29, third quarter. But job po. Ilan na lang kami, wala din, wala bit time.
Makoy! Wala. Saan mo pag ginapanaw ko eh. Sabi ko, 10 shot clock. 5 to shoot. And it's a 24-second shot clock violation.
24 seconds.
Substitution. Substitution. Mola in. Number 2 out. Espinosa. Alagon. And there's a foul. What number? Number 8. Choice number 8. First personal foul. Alagon, basket.
43-30 ang score. Natin ito Cacique. Malabo, malabo.
Oh, Yate.
Ay!
And there's a wrong pass. Aga Yate. No basket. Espinosa. Espinosa, wala. Another rebound. Naagaw. Still, Bobcats on the ball. Espinosa in. Wala.
43-31.
Garcitos on the ball. Pass to McCoy. Cacique. Oñate. Molave.
There's a
And
foul.
there's a foul from jersey number 39. Second personal foul. And third team fouls. Substitution. Cole is in, Cole is out. Like 3 minutes and 16 seconds remaining
Basket
time.
for Garcitos, 3:16
Garcitos,
remaining.
second free throw.
44-31.
Basket.
45-31.
3 minutes and 16 seconds remaining time. Naagaw Cacique. Easy shot from Cacique.
47-31. Balik sa 16 ang abanse sa
Jersey
scorecard.
number 18 is on the ball. Alagon. Villa Carillo.
Rebound Hard pass, Onyate.
Onyate. Grabe. It's a real power. Espinosa. Basket for two.
47-33.
2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time.
Another steal.
And it's a rock. Stop pass. Substitution. Onyate in. Inot in. Onyate out. (47-33) our score in favor of Scorpions. Garcitos, wala. Alagon. It's a long pass.
Inot.
Cacique. Cacique. No basket. Another attempt. Garcitos, and there's a foul. Jersey number 39. Third personal foul. Jersey number 39 and 4 team fouls.
Molabin out. Aliliga is
Substitution. Sulod.
47-33. Third quarter.
Sobrang player. Anong. O, ano sulod agad? O, buhin dua. Sige. Proceed. Attempt for 3. No basket.
Aliliga. There's a foul.
It's a foul. Jersey number 25. It's a penalty.
Aliliga.
First personal foul.
Basket. Aliligay.
Jersey number 25. Aliligay.
48-33.
Second free throw. Basket.
Ay, 48.
Napakagaling.
48-33.
Shout out sa team.
Another steal for Casipe.
Electrical of CEO.
Ay!
It's a foul. Jersey number 25. First personal foul. And 13 fouls. City Engineering Electrical Team, Mabuhay. 1 minute remaining time. And it's alive. Substitution. Lamberto in and Casipe out. Time out. Bobcats. Bobcats having time out. Again, we are now on the third quarter. A battle between 12 other category Scorpions versus Bobcats.
47-33.
Shout out kali sa taga-electrical sa City Engineering. Mayroon ka, keep safe always.
Third quarter.
Electrical team sa City Engineering Office sa Siyudad Santa Lisay. Busy sa subong sa pamutang sa dekorasyon sa atong pamigtasa for the lights on ceremony sa atong pagsilibrar sa Christmas season. Alright, here's a jump ball. Scorpion. Kanamit inuwi, kasi po sa mga bangko. Namian na inuwi na. Ano na yan? Para sa mga sabyunin ko yan. Ate, wala.
Hey!
And it's a good ball. Ino. Ayan.
Usog.
Balana! And it's a
Violation.
substitution.
47-33.
30 seconds remaining time.
40 seconds remaining, third quarter. 47-33 para sa Scorpions. Inot.
Inot.
Dribbles.
Ang bilis.
Pinasa.
Lamberto.
Lamberto. Nasa to Inot.
Inot.
Bam! Uy, umawas.
Rebound and Bruno. 10 seconds remaining time. 10 segundos.
Offensive foul.
A foul from Aragon. 5 seconds remaining time. Offensive foul, jersey number 10, Aragon. And second personal foul. 5 segundos.
3, 2, 1.
And time is up. That is our third quarter.
End of third, score 47-30.
Malapit na tayo tapos. Again, requesting all players that mag-engage sa inyong uniform or jersey. Reminding again, all our players are required to do the tuck-in para safe tayong lahat. Okay? Alright, so that ends our third quarter. Once again, welcome to the 5th Bobcats Basketball Tournament 2024. Thank you so much sa ating mga commissioner, of course, the owner. We have Baron Kagawa, Batman, Rasmo, and of course, Boss Tata Diorke for organizing the 5th Bobcats Basketball Tournament 2024. And of course, thank you so much to all our sponsors. Madamo, big na salamat. Thank you, Plaza Office. Salamat kang sa inyong pagservisyo. Aragon, jersey number 10. At set. Pasok. Aragon ang laki-laki. It's a heavy player. Line ball. Alright. Lamberto! Naakaw ang bola. Espinosa. And turnover to Casipe. Casipe attempt the shot. Pass to Lamberto. Onyate. Pass to Casipe again.
Nice pass!
And Senior. No basket. Another attempt. Senior. 2 points. Onyate wala. Aragon. Pastor Espinosa. Pastor Espirito. Wala. Senior. Pastor Onyate. Attempt for 3.
Basket! 3 points!
3 points. Espinosa. And the ball is in. Substitution. McCoy is in. And Aliligay out.
54-35.
Attempt for 3. No basket.
Rebound Onyate. Pinasa to Casipe. Still for Bobcats.
Espirito. Wala.
Onyate. Gagaw sa dalong.
Agaw. Onyate. Ang lakas ni Onyate. Grabe. Lamberto. Pass to Casipe. No basket. And so foul. Jersey number 9. Casipe. Casipe. Second personal foul. Casipe, second personal foul.
54-35.
Onyate. Onyate!
Taway! Taway!
It's a free shot from Onyate. Easy shot.
56,
Score
35.
56-35. And there's a foul. Jersey number 7, Makoy. Second personal foul. Makoy. Jersey number 7, second personal foul. Espirito. And there's a foul.
Foul again.
Jersey number 7 again.
For Makoy.
Makoy, third personal foul. And third team fouls.
56-35. 21 ang avance.
Espirito. Paso Malana. Another attempt for Espirito. And malakas. Rebound by Alagoan. Alagoan is a dramatic substitution. Traveling violation from Alagoan. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Nasipe ang hawak ang bola. And trying to attempt. Naagaw. But still, naagaw. And the ball is rolling. Paso.
Bobcats ball.
Argente, pass. Nabasket out.
Out of bounds.
And line ball.
Yan ang time, man.
Onyate. Onyate. Paso Lamberto.
Nice
Pass to
pass!
CL. It's an easy shot from CL. 2 points.
58-35.
Onyate again.
Another steal for
Tumulatin.
Bobcats. For Bobcats for Scorpions.
Pass to CL again.
And there's a
And it's a
foul.
foul. Jersey number 25. Balana. Second personal foul. Substitution. Garcitos in and Casipi out.
Kapoy po, why na na?
Wala din. So Lamberto.
58-35.
Garcitos. Wala.
Reverse! And there's a foul.
Basket number 25. Foul. Third personal foul. Jersey number 25. Third personal foul. Substitution. Sabalistos. 5 minutes remaining time.
Five minutes remaining. Basket.
Basket.
3 for Mulaben.
Ang ibang sumusako
61-35.
ay may cluster hit. Having right now live in Borsia, Negros Occidental. May alam ang Milo ko namin. So, loga sako sa ko. Pag may alam pag ito yun. Oh. Kami nga ni Beres ko.
61-35 ang ating score.
Agente, basket. Substitution. Rafinha and Williamero. Four minutes and 52 seconds remaining time. 4 minutos.
Score, madam. Madam, 61-36 ang ating score.
Espanyol ka.
Fourth quarter na kita.
Mi por favor, señor. Boss Rank, Mayong Aga. 5 shot clock. Balala. No basket. Another tip. Jesse wala. Order niya. Balala again. No basket. Nako. Order niya. 10 to shoot. Bang! Ordaniel, wala! Another attempt, Ordaniel, for 2!
61-38.
What is that? Ito ang kamarang basa.
Sir Nelson
Oh,
Dahay.
yan siya sa bata.
61-38.
Ball is out.
Favor of Scorpions.
Voting from
Kickball.
Scorpio.
Bola para sa Bobcats.
Substitution. Kasi in. And bola din out. Meron. Anong kamang na? Ordaniel. Pasok Bruno. Nakakabon natin. Casipe. Casipe. Bang.
Again for Casipe.
For 2.
63-38.
Casipe, 2 points. Action. Basket. Argente. Casipe sa akin ball. Orjate. Saladisos. Bang, bang, bang. Wala. And the ball is out. Last touch. Katawa ka kay coach.
63-38.
Basket.
65-38. Pila time man?
Bola na.
Alright, Bruno. Bruno. And the ball is out. Last touch by Iñate. Substitution. O, sunod. O, pila na. Ano na? Ordaniel. Out. And Villa Carrillo is in.
65-38 ang score. Nagabalo, pila na lang ang time. Steal by Casipe. Basket Casipe. 67-38.
2 minutes and 50
Another
seconds remaining
steal.
time. Oriate is in shot. Basket for 2. Oriate score 69-38 in favor of Scorpions. Ako rin tayo pa.
69-40.
Bola pa. Substitution. Sunod.
ang score, fourth
Alright.
quarter. Steal. Fuentes.
Attempt.
Basket.
Basket.
Fuentes.
20. Joseph
71-40.
4. 2 points. Fuentes. Argente. Pass to Bruno. Bruno.
Yes.
Extra jump ball. Bobcats.
Ball
Hindi na Scorpions.
for Bobcats. 71-40.
Argente. Easy shot. Wala.
Aliligay. Basket.
It's a bang. For 2. Aliligay. This is for 25.
33 na ba?
1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Bang. Wala. Bruno.
Isa.
And a jump ball. Scorpions. Position Scorpions. Alright. Sabadisto. Paso Aliligay. Wala. Sabadisto.
Ay!
Wala. Attempt. Wala. Villamento. No basket. Magbara is having the ball. Pass to
Basket.
basket for 2.
For
Jersey
Bobcats.
number
73-42 ang score.
and ball is out.
Out of bounds.
1 minute remaining time.
1 minute remaining.
Score 42-73 in favor of Scorpions.
73-42. Uy!
Villamento to Fuentes. Wala. Villamento again. Alimigay trying to out. And Villamento, no basket. Alimigay again. Wala. There's a foul. Jersey number
Bulig the loop.
25. 25 seconds remaining time.
73-42. 25
Why
seconds.
na? Okay. William Alibay, basketball 2.
74-42 ang score.
Alibay again. No basket.
Rebound. Oy! Bola!
Bruno. Pass to Balana. Pass to Magbanwa. Attack. No basket. Sabadisto. And the ball is out. Time. 20 seconds remaining time.
Layo ka. Layo.
Again, second game, 1:30 p.m. A battle between Bobcats and Sharks.
Ay, hindi makuha.
14 under category.
74-42 ang ano score. Ilan na lang? In favor of Scorpions.
Aljit is still handling the ball. Attempt to shoot, no basket. 10 seconds, remaining
10
time.
seconds remaining.
Rafinha.
Hey!
And for 3 points. And time is up. The game is over.
Congratulations, Scorpions!
77-42.
77-42.
Congratulations, Team Scorpion.
Thank you so much sa tanan nga naglantaw. May second game pa karon sa hapon. Thank you, good.
Alright,
Congrats,
Scorpions.
Scorpions. Thank you, bye-bye.